Introduction to 2D, 3D modeling with CAD. Interior designers recognize the pivotal role of CAD software in creating precise and detailed interior design plans. CAD enables the efficient creation of both 2D and 3D models, offering a digital platform for design realization. Learning the CAD interface. Designers begin by familiarizing themselves with the CAD software interface. They explore key elements such as toolbars, menus, and the workspace layout. Understanding the software's user-friendly features is essential for a smooth design process. 2D modeling for interior design, drafting. Interior designers use CAD to create detailed 2D models for interior spaces. Floor plans. Designers employ 2D modeling and drafting to craft precise floor plans that offer a top-down view of interior spaces. These plans include architectural features, walls, doors, windows, and furnishings. CAD's drafting tools enable designers to create clean, scaled drawings with accurate measurements. Elevations. Elevations, represented in 2D, are drafted to convey vertical views of walls and surfaces within a room. These drawings articulate design aesthetics, material choices, and spatial arrangements. CAD's drafting capabilities ensure that elevations are crisp and detailed. Sectional drawings. CAD software empowers designers to create sectional drawings. These drawings cut through the interior, revealing structural details, spatial relationships, and materials used within the space. Drafting in CAD allows for precision in sectional drawings, ensuring clarity and accuracy. Transitioning to 3D modeling. Designers explore the capabilities of CAD software to create 3D models that provide a lifelike representation of interior spaces. Creating 3D models. Designers utilize CAD for 3D modeling. CAD's drafting tools and 3D capabilities enable them to create detailed 3D models of interior spaces. These models include furniture, fixtures, lighting, and other design elements. Drafting in CAD ensures that 3D models are constructed with precision. Texturing and materials. They apply textures and materials to 3D models through CAD's drafting and modeling features. CAD enables designers to explore various finishes, from wall coverings to flooring materials, in a detailed and lifelike manner. Lighting and rendering in 3D. Interior designers master CAD's lighting and rendering features. They learn how to add, manipulate, and position lighting sources to create realistic 3D renderings of interior spaces. This process includes the generation of shadows, reflections, and ambient lighting, all achievable with CAD's drafting and rendering capabilities. Practical applications. Designers apply CAD 2D, 3D modeling and drafting skills to actual interior design projects. They create detailed design plans, floor plans, elevations, and 3D models to effectively communicate design concepts to clients, architects, and contractors, enhancing the quality and professionalism of their interior design projects. By mastering drafting in CAD, interior designers create precise, detailed, and visually appealing design plans. CAD drafting capabilities ensure that drawings are accurate, to scale, and easy to interpret. This proficiency streamlines the design process, accelerates project timelines, and contributes to the overall success of interior design projects.